Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be doing this. We will be creating a signature logo for your photographs or videos. Open Google and search for signature fonts. You will come across many websites, but I will choose fontspace.com. Type in your name or preferred text for reference and choose the style you like. And I like the text from Xtreem. Download it and extract it. In the info it says, this font is for personal use only and requires a license for commercial use. The font license can be purchased from commercial use at this website. Purchase it to support the creator. They really deserve it. Now, copy the font files, open C drive and search for fonts. Open the fonts folder and paste. Voila, you're done. Now to the main business. Open Photoshop and a new document. Choose your document size and press OK. Now take the text tool and drag. Go to Fonts, drop down list and type in your text name and press enter. Select the text size and type your text. In which case I'm writing my name. Choose your preferred color. I would choose black. Play with the text size. Now go to the Select tab and click Color Range. In the preview, the black shows the areas which is not selected and the whites are the selected areas. Means our text is selected and click OK. Now that our text is selected, we are going to create a brush. Open Edit tab and click Define Brush Preset. Note your brush number and name your newly created brush and press OK. I will also show you how to create a PNG file for this. Make sure your text is selected. In Layers panel, turn off your background layer and you will see The background is now transparent. Go to File, Save As, give it a name, and in the drop down list choose PNG and save. Now let's open an image. I captured this picture last month. Adorable, huh? Now drag the saved PNG file over the image and you see that it's transparent. Wow! And you can transform it to your liking. Make it small or rotate it, whatever you like. And press enter after you're done. We also created a brush tool. Take the brush tool and in the brush tool panel search for your brush number. Choose the opacity and flow for your brush and voila, there you go. You can also choose color of your choice for your brush. And if you like your brush to be a bit diagonal, no issue at all, we can handle that. Just right click and turn this arrow to change the angle. And there you go. You can also change the size of the brush by pressing these keys on your keyboard. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.